So I finally decided to organize my craft stuff because I could never find anything when I needed it. So I ordered this storage box from Amazon and it has arrived. Let's unbox it. The quality is actually really good. It looks super aesthetic. It's a 6-compartment box, so everything is going to have its own space from now on. Alright, let's organize everything and make it look pretty. I'm giving this box a 10 on 10. It's cute and honestly made my craft life so much easier. The link is in the description box below. Go click and get yours too.